Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Today I'm going to teach you a Bengali recipe, chicken kosha. It is such a versatile dish that it goes well with steamed rice, fried rice, puri, paratha, anything. So let's start off. I've taken chicken pieces and now I'm going to first marinate this with curd. I've given all the ingredients list at the end of the video. You can check that out later. Then into this I've added ginger garlic paste, but since I had green chili also into it, I added that. Then I added the turmeric powder, cumin powder and the red chili powder. Now this is the chicken marination. I'm going to mix this all, and after this mixing is completed, I'm going to cover it and keep it aside for about 2 hours or so. If you have less time, you can do it for half an hour. Now I'm going to chop the onions as well as the tomato. We have many chicken recipes in our channel. You can check that out if you want to. Now let me show you the tempering. I've done the tempering with bay leaf. Then that is the stick is the cinnamon stick. Then is the cardamoms, cloves and the fenugreek or the methi seeds. I'm going to heat the mustard oil or any other oil if you wish. Then I'm going to add the tempering into it. Now it will start giving out a very beautiful fragrance, and then when that aroma starts coming out, you add in the chopped onions into it. Be careful while you add the onions. You can lower the flame while you do this. Give it a mix. Add a little bit of salt and add a little sugar. Say about 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar. Mix it up again, stir it once again, and then you can cover it and keep it on a low flame. Uncover it after some time. You will see that the onions have become soft, and now you increase the flame to high and start frying it till the time the onion turns golden brown in color. We have another recipe of easy chicken. I'll put the link on top for you. You can have a look at that. That is a very easy recipe. You can follow that. Now when the onions have turned golden brown, I'm going to add the marinated chicken into it. Now I'm going to make use of all the marination. See how I've made use of the spatula as well. The broken spatula to be more precise. Okay, so coming on to this, the cooking part. Now once you have added this chicken pieces, I'm going to add the tomatoes as well into it. Now I'll start stirring it. I'll lower the flame and then I will cover it and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I mean, the chicken has to turn tender, isn't it? So after 15 minutes, I remove the cover. Now I'm going to increase the flame. On a high flame, I'm going to start frying it. This constant frying on high flame is called koshano. And that is the word that comes for this chicken kosha, because it has to be, fried a lot on a high flame. So you will see that the oil starts oozing out once you have fried it constantly. Add in some salt as per your taste and then give it a mix. Now add hot water. Stir it once and then cook for about 15 minutes. This cooking has to be on a low flame. After 15 minutes, you'll see that the water has dried up quite a lot. Now you have to add the slurry that you can make with atta or even the corn flour. Add a little bit of this atta or corn flour into cold water and just mix it. That is the slurry. Now you add some more water if required and cook it for some more time, because it turns out to be otherwise very dry. If you want to have it with rice, you need some gravy. So here it is, and towards the end you will sprinkle the garam masala powder, and here it is ready to be served. I have made this for my daughter and myself, and it was just awesome. This is the plating. We relished our lunch with just plain steamed rice and chicken kosha. You give it a try, you will like this recipe, I'm sure of it. And in the end, please, a request, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Bye bye.